Strong Legs for Life, a natural health guide for your legs. I knew that our legs are the first part of our body to lose strength with age. It's like a silent alarm that something is wrong. This can affect even young children and may begin much earlier than you think. Imagine not being able to walk for long or climb stairs. You might think it's impossible, but there are natural and simple foods you can eat to support the health and strength of your legs throughout your life. It's real, and today we're going to talk about it. Watch this video until the end. I will give you an amazing, unique, and powerful gift. It's a natural recipe that can restore youth and improve the condition of your legs. Before we continue, let's do two things. Leave a comment with the words Pillar of Health and Vitality. This will help you commit to change and improve your well-being. Share this video with someone you believe should see it. Many suffer in silence because they don't know what to say. Help spread this vital information to those who need it most. But we're just getting started, so get ready. Our legs are not just support. They're a thermometer for our health. Legs are the first to show signs of problems. Extreme fatigue, balance issues, or constant discomfort may be linked to lifestyle and diet. Why do legs deteriorate before other parts of the body? Leg muscles are responsible for a significant part of our daily physical effort. Every step in movement requires lots of energy and nutrients. If they don't get adequate nutrition, endurance and strength begin to decline. Moreover, sarcopenia, the loss of muscle mass, becomes more common with age. But this condition is not inevitable. With proper nutrition and care, you can reverse or prevent it. Studies have shown a link between leg strength and longevity. Keeping your legs strong helps you live longer, look better, and stay mobile. Today I will share 3 amazing foods that are powerful allies for your leg health. Muscle health benefits the whole body, not just your legs. 3 superfoods to support healthy, strong legs. Now that you understand how important leg health is, let's explore 3 incredible foods that will help you build stronger muscles and stay active. These foods are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients and can be your loyal health companions. 1. Eggs, complete protein. For muscle strength, eggs are one of nature's most complete foods. Even ancient Romans recognized their ability to build muscle and increase endurance. Key nutritional benefits. High-quality protein, essential for repairing and building muscle tissue. Vitamin D improves bone and joint health through calcium absorption. Choline, necessary for proper brain and muscle function. Selenium, an antioxidant that protects muscle cells from free radicals. Eating boiled eggs for breakfast gives sustained energy. Veggie omelets can be a tasty way to boost nutrient intake. 2. Spinach, the green elixir of strength. Spinach's restorative powers have been known since the Middle Ages. Arab warriors, monks, and nuns consumed spinach during long journeys to fight fatigue and stay strong. Key nutritional benefits. Iron, essential for blood oxygenation and muscle function. Magnesium, helps muscles relax and prevents cramps. Vitamin K, strengthens bones and prevents joint injuries. Antioxidants lutein and zeaxanthin protect muscle cells from premature aging. Ways to eat: combine spinach with apple and ginger for a refreshing green juice. Sauté with olive oil, garlic, and lemon. 3. Bananas. The sacred fruit of energy, bananas have been revered for millennia by cultures like Hinduism for their fatigue-fighting, energy-boosting power. Ancient Greek athletes valued bananas for quick energy during competitions. Key nutritional benefits. potassium, maintains electrolyte balance, essential for muscle contraction, and prevents cramps. Vitamin B6 aids hemoglobin synthesis and boosts muscle blood flow. Natural carbohydrates provide instant energy for workouts. Manganese supports bone and muscle health. Ways to eat. Eat a banana for an energy boost or post-workout recovery. Blend with honey and oats for a nutritious snack. Common mistakes that weaken your legs. Now that we've covered superfoods that strengthen your legs, let's talk about daily mistakes that can harm muscle health. Changing these habits is just as important as eating right. The silent threat, inactivity. Physical inactivity is a major cause of weak legs. Spending too much time sitting or lying down doesn't stimulate leg muscles, leading to muscle loss. Consequences of a sedentary lifestyle: decreased circulation, reducing nutrient delivery to muscles, joint weakening due to inactivity, increased risk of osteoporosis, thrombosis, and other conditions. Solution: exercise at least 5 times per week. Take 30-minute walks, add strength exercises like squats and stair climbing. Other common mistakes: low protein. Intake protein is essential for muscle growth and repair. Too little protein leads to weakness and hinders recovery after activity. Solution: add protein sources like fish, poultry, and other meats to meals. Dehydration. Muscles are mostly water. Hydration is critical for contraction and relaxation. Dehydration causes fatigue, cramps, and even injury. Solution: drink at least 2 liters of water per day and adjust for activity level. Also eat water-rich foods like oranges and cucumbers. Too many inflammatory foods. Highly processed foods with sugar, sodium, and trans fats trigger inflammation that damages muscles and joints. Avoid chips, soda, and fast food. Alternative: whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. Vitamin and mineral deficiencies. Key nutrients like calcium, magnesium, iron, and vitamin D are essential for muscles and bones. Solution: eat foods rich in these nutrients like spinach, almonds, and dairy. Get sunlight regularly to boost vitamin D production. A special recipe for strong, healthy legs. Here's the unique recipe I promise. This ancient Mediterranean and Indian blend combines powerful nutrients to build muscles and enhance health. Ingredients: 2 ripe bananas, 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped spinach, 1 boiled egg, 1 tablespoon of honey, 200 milliliters of plant-based or coconut milk. Optional: a pinch of ground cinnamon. Instructions: add bananas, spinach, and honey to a blender. Use coconut or plant milk. Blend until smooth. Optionally, add a pinch of cinnamon for flavor and better circulation. How to use: drink at breakfast or within an hour after physical activity. For best results, drink this smoothie 3 to 4 times per week. You'll notice improvements within a few weeks. Benefits of each ingredient: bananas, natural source of potassium, carbs, and energy. Prevent cramps. Spinach, high in magnesium and iron, boost endurance and reduce injury risk. Eggs, complete protein for muscle repair and growth. Honey, antioxidant, reduces inflammation, slow energy release. Coconut water/plant milk, rich in minerals, calcium, magnesium, supports joint and bone health, hydrates the body. Cinnamon, boosts circulation and reduces inflammation. This recipe is special because it not only strengthens legs, but also improves mood, bone health, and even immunity. The Lost Remedies book. Many people overlook the power of natural remedies offered by nature. This is just one example of natural medicine. The Lost Remedies book, also known as the Natural Health Bible, is a valuable resource to understand how plants and natural ingredients work. It shows you how to use them properly in daily life. Written by Professor Jaime Bruning, Brazil's leading naturopath, who dedicated over half his life to studying medicinal plants. The book includes detox bath methods to remove toxins, natural remedies for over 200 health issues, from minor ailments to serious conditions, incredible uses of clay in healing, photos of 140-plus medicinal plant species for accurate identification, 13 essential natural recipes for better health, tips for improving emotional and mental balance, and much more. Special offer. Black Friday discounts are available this week. Lifetime access to both Part 1, Theoretical, and Part 2, Practical. Includes an exclusive one-hour interview with Professor Jaime Bruning, all for less than $2 a month, 12 payments of $16 to $14, or a one-time payment of $13. Get lifetime access to this powerful health resource that can transform your life.